Okay, doing another one. This is the little 12-inch loud box fan I got. It's mostly restored. I gotta do some touch up on it. That's Ace Hardware Sage Green. Pretty close to loud colors. But anyway, it's just a 1-speed now. Due to the junk universal electric motor that was in it. Like I said, this was my eBay horror story, one of them. Purchased this for, I don't know, it was like one of the most expensive ones I've bought so far. It was like 50 bucks, $54 I think. But the description said it ran really good, nice and smooth. Yeah. Get it, and the freaking bolts, one of the bolts is broken out of the motor. And the wires going into the motor were broken. Well, needless to say, someone had messed with it. They dipped it in Gyptol or whatever that stuff is, and I think because it was starting to burn up. But anyways, fixed the wires, ran it. It ran for maybe an hour, and then pop. So this is, like I said, I know it looks horrible, but it works. This is a Dayton exhaust fan motor with only studs in the front. And yes, it's a hose clamp. And those are 2 eye bolts with hooks. But I've had this done about 2 years now, and it doesn't move, runs like a champ. But it's a 1/15th horsepower motor. Not 1/15th, I think it's like 1/30th, I don't know. There's a little power box for it. So we're gonna wire it up there. Let's fire it up. It's 1550 RPM, so it's basically high speed, but it's very quiet. Bedroom at the apartment in the house. There's bigger windows. That's spin down time on that thing. That blade's pretty heavy for what it is. But anyway, I tried to get a hold of the seller on eBay, and of course he jumped ship. So I'm out $54. But it works good now. That little Dayton exhaust fan motor in it. Found a Fastco motor on eBay I might get. It's 3-speed, don't know. Should be the right horsepower, but pretty cool to make it 3-speed again. Here you go, startup sound.